Today I am going to start similarity chapter in math. Do you know what is similarity? Before you have done congruent triangle. Congruency means two triangles are congruent. If the sides are equal, angles are equal, every part of the triangle is equal to another triangle, then that two triangles are congruent. That you have done before in lower class. But similarity is a very interesting chapter. Just like similar means what? Like father face and son face looking similar. Not same. Looking similar. Means the shape is looking same type. The today our chapter is similarity. The similarity of two triangles, the conditions required. What are the conditions required? One is angle property. Means if in the two triangles or angles are equal to each other, then the two triangles will be similar. Minimum two angles should be equal. Suppose in the triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is equal to angle P and angle B is equal to angle Q. Automatically the third angle will be equal, no doubt. Because sum of the angles of triangle is equal to how much? 180 degree. In two triangles, if the minimum required means two angles are equal to each other, then the two triangles are called similar triangles. Okay, that is called angle property. Next one is, here the condition I am telling, the condition required for the two triangles to be similar. Next one is side angle side. What do you mean by this? Means side ratio, two side ratio, in between two sides the angle should be equal. Suppose in the triangle ABC and triangle PQR, the angle A should be equal to angle P, then AB by PQ and AC by PR. Okay, side ratio should be same, two sides, and in between two sides the angle should be equal. That is called side angle side property. That means the first property I have told, angle property, minimum two angle, maximum three angles should be equal to each other. The two angles should be similar. And second one I am telling, side angle side, means side ratio and angle. And next one is side ratio. Third one is side ratio. If the sides are respectively proportional, means AB by in the triangle ABC and PQR, means AB by PQ, BC by QR and AC by PR. Then if the side ratio will be same to each other, then the two triangles are similar. So what are the conditions required for the two triangles to be similar? Minimum requirement, two angles should be equal to each other. Maximum three angles should be equal to each other. That is called angle property. Second one, the side ratio same, side ratio. If the three sides ratio same, the two triangles are similar. The third one is side angle side, means side ratio, two side ratio, and in between two sides one angle should be equal. Now these are three conditions I told to be similar. Now go to let us know what is the basic idea about the similar triangle. Let us go through see the chapter name is similarity. From the chapter 11 from Innovative Math books. See, these three triangles are similar looking. Therefore, they are similar. See this figure, but size not same, but looking similar. These three circles you see, okay, but their shape looking what? Similar, just similar looking, shape looking similar. See the similar condition given here. Every figure has some shape and size. Congruent figure have exactly the same shape. Congruent means exactly same shape and size. Whereas the similar figure have exactly the same shape but not necessarily same size. This is the basic difference between congruent figure and similar figure. Yes or no? So what is congruent? Means totally same. All parts, all angles should be equal to each other. That is called congruent. But similar means looking just similar. Shape is looking similar. This is the basic difference between congruent figure and similar figure. And today our chapter is similarity. Okay. Let us go next to the condition required. See, first property I am telling, side property. What do you mean by this? Sides are not equal, but side ratio same. See, ABC is a triangle, PQR is a triangle. AB3, PQ equal to how much? That means 3 by 6 equal to how much? 1 by 2. AC equal to 5 and PR is our 10. That means AC by PR you will have how much? 5 by 10. That is also 1 by 2. Next come to BC 3.5 divided by Q1. 3.5 by 7. It will have how much? That also coming 1 by 2. That means all the sides, this side by this side equal to this side by this side equal to this side by this side. Means AB by PQ, BC by QR, CA by PR, all are coming 1 by 2. That means all the side ratio of these two triangles are same. Okay. Therefore, it is a similar triangle, not congruent, similar triangle. If side ratio is same, the angles also will be equal, no doubt. As you know, in a similar triangle, the angles also will be equal to each other. Whenever the side ratio coming same, these two are similar, and as it is similar, the angles also will be equal to each other. That is A angle equal to P angle, B angle equal to Q angle, C angle equal to R angle. Now, what is the property name? Side property. What do you mean by this one? Means side ratio. Okay, side ratio means this side by this side. Repeating here, this side by this side, and this BC side by QR. If side ratio same, then the two triangles are similar. This is the one of the conditions required to prove the two triangles are similar. How to prove? If the side ratio same, three sides ratio same, then the two triangles are similar. But as for the congruent triangle, if three sides are equal to each other, means this side is equal to this side, if this side equal to this side means 3.5, here also this side also 3.5, then the two triangles will be congruent. Means from all respect the sides will be equal, the angles also will be equal. But shape, size, everything is equal, that is called congruent triangle. But here side ratio coming same, therefore these two triangles are the similarity. The two triangles are similar. The condition required side property or side axiom of similarity. Let us go next one. See the second one, angle means AA property, angle axiom of similarity. In the triangle ABC and PQR, this B angle equal to Q angle A is equal to P angle. If two angles in between two triangles are equal to each other, then the two triangles are similar. Whenever two angles are coming equal to each other in between two triangles, third angles also will be equal, because total angle sum is equal to how much? 180 degree. If this angle equal to this angle, if B angle equal to Q angle, okay, A is equal to P as per the figure, B angle equal to Q angle, automatically the third angle also will be equal. Therefore, what is the property name? Angle property. That means minimum requirement angle, if two angles are equal to each other, then the two triangles are similar. If the two triangles are similar, then the side ratio will be same. Whenever the two triangles are similar, then as for the first one, the side ratio also will be same. AB by PQ, BC by QR, CA by PR. This is the second condition of similarity of two triangles. Is it clear or not? Let us go to the third one. See, third one I am telling side, angle, side. SAS. Side, angle, side. What do you mean by this? Suppose in the triangle ABC and PQR. See, AB is equal to 4, PQ got how much? 4, 2. Means 4 by 2 will be how much? 2. Again you see AC equal to 5 and PR is equal to 2.5. That means 5 by 2.5 will be how much? 2 will come. This side by this side is equal to this side by this side. That means AB by PQ coming 2. Again AC by PR also coming 2. Therefore the two sides are ratio same. And in between two sides the angle should be equal. That I told before. In between two sides the angle is what? Angle A? 60 degree. In between two sides angle is what? P angle. That also 60 degree. Therefore these angles are equal. This side by this side by this side, and in between the two sides angle also equal. Therefore the name of the property of similarity is condition is side, angle, side. Means side ratio between the two side angle, again side ratio. If this condition is satisfied, then the two triangles are similar. Is it clear or not? There are three conditions I told. The third condition is side, angle, side. Means side ratio in between two side angle is equal. Means in the triangle ABC and PQR, what you are able to see? Angle A 60 degree, angle P 60 degree. One angle equal. In between this angle, this side, this AB 4 and PQ 4. Sorry, 2, PQ 2. AB by PQ will be how much? 4 by 2 will be how much? 4 by 2, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter cancel, 2 coming. Next you see AC 5 centimeter and PR. AC by PR equal to how much coming? 5 by 2.5, it will be also 2 coming. That means this ratio is equal to this side. Therefore, AB by PQ is equal to CA by PR. These two side ratio same coming, and in between two sides one angle is equal coming. That I have written here. Okay. Therefore, the two angles are similar. Is it clear? Therefore, the three conditions required, minimum requirement to triangle similarity, that is side angle side, three side ratio same, angle property. Okay. Let us go to a sum. Let us draw two triangle. ABC is a triangle. A, B is a triangle. Another triangle you draw like P, Q, R. These two triangles are similar. Suppose these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle A, B, C. See, I am writing here triangle ABC similar to triangle P, Q, R. These two triangles similarity is given, suppose. What do you mean by this? If the two triangles are similar, then side ratio will be same. AB by PQ, BC by QR, and AC by PR. If the two triangles are similar, then side ratio will be same. And what is the third part? Angle A should be equal to angle P. Angle B should be equal to angle Q. Angle C should be equal to angle R. Okay, if the two triangles are similar, the side ratio is same, angle should be equal to each other. Okay, already I have told the condition required. Next, if two triangles are similar, means this triangle is similar to this triangle, means side ratio is same. What are the things you will get if the two triangles are similar? Next you see, area of triangle ABC divided by, I will tell you how to prove. Area of triangle PQR. If the two triangles are similar, area ratio is equal to side का whole square ratio, means AB square by PQ square, BC square by QR square, AC square by PR square. Here the conclusion we are getting if the two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, then area ratio is equal to side whole square ratio. Means in the two triangle, if the two triangles ABC and PQ are similar, side ratio same, angles will be equal to each other, and area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR will be equal to how much? AB square by PQ square, BC square by QR square, AC square by PR square. Let us go next. See chapter at a glance. Figure having exactly the same shape but not necessarily the same size are said to be similar. Already I told before, figure having exactly the same shape. Shape is same, but not necessarily the same size. Shape looking same, but size not same. Then they are called similar. Figures having exactly the same shape, but not necessarily the same size are said to be similar. Condition already told. All congruent figures are similar. If the triangles are congruent, all congruent figures means everything are equal. All congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures are not necessarily be congruent. This is the basic difference between congruent triangle and similar triangle. All congruent figures are similar, but similar figures need not be congruent. All regular polygons with the same number of sides are similar. Okay. All regular polygon. Polygon, you know what is polygon? Like triangle having 3 sides, quadrilateral having 4 sides, even more than like pentagon, hexagon, heptagon. So many sides are there. Heptagon means 7 sides, pentagon having 5 sides, hexagon means having 6 sides. Polygon means more than that. With the same number of sides are similar. What are the similarity conditions? What are the rules? What are the axioms for similarity of triangle? One is side rule of similarity. You know, in between two triangles, if the sides ratio is same, the two triangles similar. Next is angle rule of similarity. What is the angle? Minimum requirement in between two triangles. If two angles are equal to each other, then the two triangles are called similar triangle. Next is side rule of similarity. Means side ratio, angle against side ratio. Two side ratio, in between two side angle is equal to each other. Then the triangles will be similar. So what are the rules or what are the axioms for similarity of triangle? Side 3s, S property, A property, S property. Next, basic proportionality theorem or BBT. Basic proportionality theorem means if the two triangles are similar, side ratio will be same, and if triangles similar, angles also will be equal to each other. That's the writing here. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, other two sides are divided in the same ratio. I'll show the proof. Okay. Converse of this theorem, if a line divides any two sides of triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Okay. I'll show, don't worry. Suppose D parallel to BC. In a triangle, D parallel to BC. Then what is the conclusion? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay. Three conditions will get. Next is internal bisector. The internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divides the opposite sides internally in the ratio of the sides containing the angle. Okay. And last one I told, area of similar triangle. If two triangles are similar, the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of the corresponding side. The ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to ratio of the square of their corresponding altitude. The ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding median. One is altitude, first one side ratio, side square ratio same, altitude square against corresponding square of the median ratio. Again the ratio of the area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding internal angle bisectors. Just to see similar. Already I have told if two triangles are similar, the side ratio same. Again area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR will be equal to altitude. Means if I draw perpendicular here, this is called altitude. Let us name it AM, this is PN. That means AM square, altitude means here I have taken altitude AM square by PN square. See, already told area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. AM is what? Altitude of the triangle ABC. Again PN also triangle in the triangle PQR. See the figure? AM is the altitude, means perpendicular on the base BC. Here PN is the altitude or perpendicular on the base QR. Therefore, as per the condition, if the two triangles are similar, area of the triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AM square by PN square. Next you see the triangle. See, draw another same triangle I am doing again. Draw a triangle ABC, again PQR. AD is the median. Median, you know what is median? BC midpoint D you have to join from opposite vertex. This AD is the median. AD is median. Okay, median. Same process. S is the midpoint of QR. PS is the also median. Okay. Therefore, area, if the two triangles are similar, if the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equal to AD square, median whole square means AD square by PS square. Okay. First of all, side square ratio, altitude square ratio, then area ratio will be equal to median. Median, you know what is median? Midpoint of BC joining to opposite vertex. That is called median. Therefore, AD is the median of triangle ABC, AD square by PS square. And last one is, if the two triangles are similar, then area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR will be equal to angle bisector of angle A bisector whole square divided by angle P bisector whole square. Okay, that means bisector of angle maybe suppose AD square by, suppose PS is the angle bisectors. Means angle bisector, this angle will be equal to this angle. You have to do another figure. I am writing just here. Bisector of angle whole square, bisector of angle P whole square. Also ratio same. So what are the three conclusion here? If two triangles are similar, side whole square ratio will be equal. In the case of area of ratio, again area ratio is equal to altitude whole square. Area ratio is equal to median square ratio. Next, third one is area ratio is equal to angle bisector. Okay. These are the important properties you are getting if the two triangles are similar. If two are similar, the area ratio will be equal to side whole square ratio, altitude whole square ratio, median whole square ratio, and angle bisector whole square ratio. And one more thing, if the two triangles are similar, side ratio is same, angles are equal, already I have told before. This is the basic idea about the similarity of two triangles. Let us go. The exercise next time I will do the exercise. Okay, thank you for today's class.